Hi ma'am, sir, good day. I'm Michael Ortega and thank you for meeting me today. Let me quickly walk you to the Abida Dahais Katipunan. It's the one of the best choice for both end use and investment. Here at Dahais Katipunan, we offer three types of fit different lifestyle. First, a studio unit, perfect for student, young professional, or anyone who wants practically space premium location. Next is one bedroom units which give you privacy, room to grow, ideal for couples or individuals who wants more comfortable layout. And for the families or long-term investment, we have two bedroom units giving you generous space and better rental opportunities. Now, for the amenities, Abida made sure that the resident enjoy complete and relaxing environment. You have access to a resort-inspired swimming pool, fully equipped gym, functions room, children's play area, and open landscape spaces where you can unwind. The whole community is designed to be secure, peaceful, and walkable, perfect for balancing work, study, and rest. But the biggest disadvantage, the location of the house is right along the Katipunan near Ateneo, UP Diliman, and Miriam College, UP Town, and surrounded by schools, lifestyle hubs, and transportation access. Even major business districts, that means strong rental demand and steady property appreciation. So whether you're looking for your own home or start an investment with long-term value, Abida Dahais Katipunan delivers convenience, quality, and community you'll be proud to be part of. I'm Michael Ortega, and I'm happy to guide you at the best units that fits your goal.